You just landed at the perfect class that will make you a master of e-commerce and selling online. Sell physical goods, ebooks, digital download services, and more. Who knows, you will create the next Amazon, Gymshark, and the Kelly Cosmetics. What you will learn in this course: create a pro-grade online store using Shopify to sell online or the physical digital products. Learn the essential of the success e-commerce business. Understand Shopify ecosystem, best place to buy domain, get free business email and everything required to run a top grade e-commerce business. Easily convert your Shopify store into top-notch app for both Android and iOS. Hello friends, I understand your frustration and confusion in deciding which class to pick, but I assure you this is the right one for you. Why? Not just teaching you the how, but I will also explain the why. In every step, I will show you why we do this, and that will explain what we will be doing in the better option than the alternatives. I will reveal my own tips and tricks from my 4-year experience with the e-commerce, and hey, not to mention it's a e-commerce which made me drop out of college at 18 and build me a full-time income online. I have a teaching background, not to brag, but I am a 5-star rated e-commerce coach by 700 plus client in my Fiverr. My teaching and explanation are found to be easily understood by many students worldwide. With this course, you will not find the need to get any other courses or the lesson. This course is all in one course for creating a pro-grade online store or app. Even if you plan to grow your businesses to $1 billion business, I got you covered. You will learn how to convert your store into a top-notch app for both Android and iOS, meaning you don't need to take any other course for creating an app or pay an app developer. This course shows you the easiest way to get an app for your business. Join my class today and it is always free. I will see you in my class.